Hi guys, so this is the continuation of the last video I posted, creating neon lights. In the last video, we stopped in the middle of creating the danger neon signage here. So here, as you can see, I am done tracing inside the letter D here, leaving a yellow line there. We are also going to do that in the other letters, but first we are going to finish this letter D and we'll go back to the other letters later. So just like what we did to the red neon light, we are going to duplicate the danger blue neon 2 times. Now we have 3 copies. First layer, we'll change the blend mode to, let's try screen first. Then linear dodge add on these 2 remaining copies. I just want to see if the effects is more cooler than the last. Okay, let's pull the screen layer up. I think I'll stick to this line. Okay, let's start applying Gaussian blur to this layer. Go to the filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. For this, let's try 10. Then this for 5. Then this last layer, 1. Let's see. Okay, add a little more blur to this layer. Let's enter 5. Okay, cool. Now for this yellow line here, duplicate this. First layer, change the blend mode to linear dodge add. Then the second one to screen. Apply Gaussian blur, but first we need to rasterize this. Let's see. You can turn off and on this preview here to see if you are satisfied with the effect. Let's try 3. Okay, I think 5. Then the second layer, let's blur this to 1. We are going to do that in the remaining letters later, but I want to show you how I made this scissor signage here. Then after showing you that, I will continue finishing the other neon lights and the danger signage. So let's zoom in here where we will place the scissor signage. Then click and hold this line tool here until this extension here comes out. Here you can see the custom shape tool. Click that. Then up here in shape options where you click the drop down, you could see different shapes here. Let's select the scissor shape. Let's turn off the fill. Then in stroke, let's choose this color fuchsia pink. Then let's increase the weight of the stroke to maybe 1.96. Let's try that. Okay, let's add. I think that's too much. It's still too much. Okay, around 7. Okay, I think that's okay. Now just like what we did to danger signage, we are going to transform this. Use perspective and distort so that it would look like that this scissor here is placed on this side of the balcony. You can see here I am making the right side slightly smaller and lower than the left side. We are getting there. Okay, I think that looks alright. Let's name this scissor. Let's duplicate this. Then press shortcut key U for custom shape tool. Then enable the fill, then choose the yellowish white color. Disable the stroke. Okay, let's reverse that, sorry. Then let's search for a value that will make this stroke thinner than the fuchsia pink scissor, but still visible when zoom out. Let's try 4. Okay, let's try 3.5. That looks great. Using the direct selection tool, we're going to fix these lines. And for these extended anchor points, we're going to use Convert Point tool. Select Pen tool, then press Alt and hold to enable the Convert Point tool. You can also enable the direct selection tool using Pen tool when you press and hold the command key. What we are doing here is we're moving and adjusting these anchor points, creating space between each yellowish white line, so it wouldn't look weird. We're trying to run it along this push-up pink scissor in the back. Now rasterize this. Right-click, then rasterize layer. Duplicate to 3 layers. Change the first 2 to linear dodge add, then the last to screen. Let's blur this to 10, then this to 5. Then this to 2. Now for this yellowish white scissor, duplicate to 2 layers. First copy, change blend mode to linear dodge add, then this to screen. Blur this first copy to 3. Now this to 0.5. Alright, we're done. So since I already taught you how I create these neon lights for this photo manipulation, I'm just going to speed the process of creating the others. You can still watch here or go to the next tutorial.
In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. That could make bright our lives. In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. must realize we need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. All of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel, we need to use this warmth that could make bright our lives. In all of us, in our hearts, there's love and light that we must realize. We need to feel,